Alright, we're going for a little bit of a ride this afternoon. See how the dirt bike fares with the street bikes. Here we go. Some Yamahas. First time I've been riding with anything but like Harleys and stuff. Good looking bikes. Eventually I guess I'm gonna have to break down and get me a street bike. Weather, it thing got up to like 70 this afternoon. It's not gonna be too bad. I think we're gonna go there's time out over to the swinging bridge over in the paint bank, go up the back roads. Rain's supposed to come in tomorrow. It's like a little bit of a chance, so we got a little bit of a breeze blowing right now, but let's see how this goes. We'll catch you when we get to something fun. This black car up here just cut us off, cut the first bike off. I'm just sitting on, just so you can get right there. Nobody behind us. All you had to do was stay right back higher. Instead, run up here and cut somebody off on a bike. Nobody paying attention. Starting to get down the back roads now. We're gonna sneak over to this other road. And the mountains, the leaves starting to come out. See all the green working its way up. Same thing, oh, in the 45 zone. Now we can run 55. I didn't get a chance, like I said, I'm gonna order me another sprocket where I can gear this thing back up when I ride on highways a lot. Right now it tops out like 80, 75 to 80 mile an hour screaming. But where I was riding in the woods and stuff and on the street around town, it ain't bad. Give me another sprocket where I can swap it out pretty quick and get it geared up here where I can roll on. Of course, we obey the speed limit, so there's no reason to go that fast. Yeah, I thought it was gonna rain. I didn't put my bike up, and they sent me a message like, shoot, if it ain't gonna rain, yeah, let's go. Clouds done broke up, sun's out. It's a big concrete plant up here. I get close to it, I'll see if I can get any videos of it. Come into a little bit of a curvy section. Part of that Appalachian Trail crosses up here. It's a little parking lot for people to, I guess, get up to it. Always fun. I really want to put some Supermoto wheels and tires on here. Guess I'm gonna have to. But I'm on the fence of maybe getting a different kind of bike to ride on the street and then keep this one for adventure riding. Laid in some curves. Beautiful out here. It's crazy the temperature difference. Drop into these shady spots where behind the hill, behind the sun, temperature drops like 10 degrees it feels like. Gravel washed across in some spots. Alright, we're getting ready to start up the mountain. Head curves. Pretty fun. don't know if maybe I hang with these street bikes, considering I'm on a all knobby tire. Not too bad. I'll give it to that. I'll have to do a review on these tires. These are the Tusk Venture tires. They're DOT approved, but they're full off-road tire basically. These son of a guns grip like crazy in asphalt. They do awesome in the woods. I mean, I just bought another set of them because they're so good. My front one's cupped like crazy right now, so I'm trying not to be too bad on it. They got a lot more grunt. They got thousands. I ain't got the 650 in one cylinder. We'll catch them though. See if we can get back up to them. This one got kind of sharp. It's another sharp one back to the right up here somewhere. Might have to cut the curves a little bit. I might have to straighten it out a little bit so I can catch them. Not too bad to be on 650. I knew this one. Here it is. It's another one right up here. Wash out on me a little bit there. Like I said, they got over 2,500 miles on these tires. The knobbies, they're getting wore down pretty good. I couldn't imagine this thing on a actual Supermoto wheel and tire package. It'd be awesome. The yellow line gets a little squirrely with these tires. The downshift. Thing being carbureted too, it don't like the change in altitude. Sun is blinding. Can't see crap. There it is. This is that really sharp one. View out there. I don't think we did too bad considering how I'm geared and I'm on knobby tire. We're at the top of the mountain now. Almost. Next big sharp left. Safe speed 25. This is the north side, so there's gonna be a lot of gravel on the road on this side. You can't really do much over here. Looking back into West Virginia over there. I got one video where they was burning all this, and you'll see the smoke. That whole valley was covered in smoke. It was crazy. I should have videoed it. I didn't think about it. I had to stop, felt something jerking a bike, and one of the chain guides had to wore through. I just put the thing on there, I don't know, a couple thousand miles ago, but I didn't realize it wore through that quick. It wore through, that thing grabbed hold of my chain, about jerked the bike stop. We stopped back there, and I was able to remove it. Tighten the chain up just a little bit to try to keep it from riding on my swing arm. But we're gonna finish riding. We're still going on up before we turn around and head back home. Hitting the curvy parts here. I just put my long sleeve shirt on too. Freaking got cold. Weather, winter weather's then got this road rough up here. So you gotta watch it. You got all these patch jobs and these curves. Rough road. Look at that. Sun sitting over there. Coming off the mountain. Rock slide. Woo. Rock laying in the road. Somebody hit that, be a bad day. One to walk out right there. It gets a little squirrely on the when you lay it on down there. Crazy how the rocks lay up here, like rock gardens. Flip it back and forth. Oh, we got the rock wall laying here. That's pretty cool. Check that out. Oh, it's a big old sweeping curve. I'm going to go down in gear. Definitely getting my brakes to work out. I ain't never been on this road, so I don't know where the curves are and how bad they are. Looks like we're at the bottom now. Starting to level out. I'd say it's gonna be dark before we get back. That ain't worries about riding at night, daggone deer. Junction 3. I don't know what this place was. Looks like it was abandoned. Let's check it out. Alright, we found something. Looks like a hospital or something. Abandoned. At least if there's a hospital, so we're waiting for the ghost. I knocked on the door, nobody's answered yet. See how many's looking out the windows. Alright, we're almost back to the store up here. We're gonna stop and top off of gas. Look at the old Lemon Hotel. Huh. I wonder where they got that name from. A little bridge work. This is where the Swinging Bridge restaurant is. Alright. Top off with some gasolina. Alright, we're heading back to town now. We're gonna go grab us something to eat. We got them full of fuel. It's gonna be getting dark. I know the GoPro doesn't pick up very good. We already have one deer run along beside us. Wrapped the throttle and it jumped back over the fence and went on. But, alright, we'll catch you in the next video. I'm sure we'll find another adventure to go on. Figure this time it was on hanging out with some street bikes on an old dirt bike. But all in all, she does pretty good. I had that one little chain guide screw up and I'll order another one. Now I know I gotta keep an eye on it, that wears it out pretty quick. And that was pretty cool seeing that place. Check it out. Sure we'll have to go back across there another day. But we'll catch you on the next trip after work.